How to delete all messages on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, today we're going to see how you're able to easily delete all messages on Facebook Messenger. First thing you want to do is go to your web browser. If you're trying to do it from your phone, that is not going to be possible. So switch over to your desktop version, or you could just go to your phone and use your Chrome or any other web browser on the desktop site. You'll find the desktop site over on the top right of the screen. Just make sure to enable it. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and tap on the search bar and go to facebook.com. Once you head over to Facebook, you basically have to find your messenger icon at the top right corner. Make sure that you are logged into your Facebook app. Once you land on your Facebook page, make sure you're logged into your main profile. So let me just quickly switch over to my main profile over here. And then you basically want to head over to the messages section. Tap on it. And then you can just go to see all in Messenger. Tap on this option over here. Now all we have to do here is just make sure to delete your messages. So if you want to delete a message, you would go to the three dots and then click on delete chat. Now it will ask you for your confirmation to delete chat. You just need to click on it to delete it. However, this is going to take a long time because you might have multiple chats over here. So what you're going to have to do is open new tab, go to Chrome Web Store, search for Web Store, and then click on the first link. Once you are on Chrome Web Store, you're going to have to search for an extension called delete all messages. Let's just delete all Facebook messages. Hit enter, and then you'll find different options over here. As you can see here, this one allows you to delete all messages on Facebook. Click on this one with a yellow envelope and a red cross. Tap on Add to Chrome. Once the extension has been added, you want to go back over to your Messenger and then reload the page. Once you reload the page, you can use the extension tab up top and then pin the extension for better accessibility. Once you've pinned your extension, you'll find it right besides over here. Now all you have to do is click on the extension and a pop-up will appear. So you can just click on begin deletion. I'll show you with the archive option because I don't want to delete all of my messages. I can just tap on archive messages and it will start archiving all of these messages. As you can see here, I'm not touching anything, but it's archiving all of the messages by itself. I have my cursor over here on the screen, and that's basically it. Now, if you don't want, if you want it to stop in some places, you can just tap and close, and then it will start archiving your messages or deleting your messages. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.